Good morning, students, and this is your GK class. And chapter 8 we will study today. And what is the topic? Animal products. So, wait 1 second. Here see, animals are useful to us in many ways. Some animals gives us useful products. Can you name the product which we get from the following? We have studied about plant product and animal product. Not only by product, animals helps us also, my dear, because you will see dogs guard our home. They are loyal to us. Many animals product egg, chicken, mutton, fish. These things we eat, also honey, wax we use. Some animals gives us wool. So animals from earlier only, and people were knowing to use the animals. Right now we are using tractor to plow the field, but earlier ox were used to farmers were using ox to plow the fields also. So horse cart, ox cart, this type of cart also were used to pull the animals were pulling these carts. So animals are very useful in our life, and today we are going to study animals product, whatever they give to us. Okay, animals are helpful in many ways, like pulling the cart, plowing the field, guarding our home. But here those are the helpfulness, the work they do. On the camel we ride in the desert place where we can't walk properly because of sand. Okay, but a camel is that's why camel is also known as the sheep of the desert. Now here we are going to study some of the products which animal gives and we people use it. Okay, see here, what do we use, what do we get? 1 second. What do we get from the skin of dead animals to make purses, belts, jackets, etc.? And what do we get, my dear? We get the skin, leather jacket, leather bag, leather purses, belts, even shoes and slippers. Right now only leather we are not using, we are using canvas also, cloth also, many things more we used to make these things. But by leather we make these things. And from where do we get this? We get this from the skin of dead animals. Okay, now let us see the next product. What is the next product? What do we get from hairs of sheep, goat, camel, etc. to make clothes? And from the hairs of sheep, goat, camels we get wool. Even from rabbit, Angora rabbit. The wool of Angora rabbit is very expensive, and these animals hair is used to make the wool. Okay, beside this we get the silk yarn also from silkworm, isn't it? Oh yeah. What do we get from silkworms to make clothes? And silkworm, what do the silkworms gives us? Silk yarn. And different types of silk is made from the different types of silkworms yarn which they weave, and then the cloth is prepared. Whichever silk sari, suit, whatever we are using, silk scarf, it is made from the silk thread. Now here is the question, what do we get from hens and ducks which are widely used as nutritious foods. My dear, all the birds gives egg, but mostly we use the eggs of hens and ducks, which we are eating, especially in winter season. And if you will see the egg of ostrich, it is very big, 2 kg weight. And the omelette of this egg is served, one person can't eat the whole egg. And this is served in big hotels. Whole family, where they go for dinner or lunch, they order this type of food. But all the birds gives egg. But mostly we use the eggs of hens and ducks. Clear? What do we get from cows, buffaloes, goats, etc. to make curd, butter, ghee and cheese? My dear, cows, buffaloes, goats, these are called milch animals. Wait. One second. These are called, now it is bright, isn't it? Milch animals. Animals that gives us milk. And in milk is called complete food also, isn't it? Means it is having all the nutritions in it. And from milk, curd is made, butter is made, ghee is made, cheese is made, and many types of sweets are also made from the milk. And you can see early in the morning, in every home, milk is coming. And who gives it? Animals like cows, buffaloes, goats. Now see, what do we get from animals' dung, which help plants and crop grow better? And that is manure. What do we get from? And right now, my dear, those who are doing dairy farming or poultry farming, they are making a process, proper process, from where the cow dung can be and cow's urine can be collected very easily. Like that only in the poultry farm also, because all the dungs and wastage they keep in one place, and from there manure is prepared, and this manure is very good for crops. What do we get from goats and chickens, which is a good source of food? And we eat the flesh of goats and chickens, chicken or mutton we say it, isn't it? Meat, flesh, chicken, mutton, these things we call it, and it is a good source of, usually when you will see the youngsters are preparing for party, chicken party, mutton party, isn't it? And this is a good source of energy also. Now, what do we get from shells of oyster, which are used in making ornaments? My dear, oysters lives in ocean, and inside it they prepare pearl, and pearl is used to make ornaments. And not only ornaments, my dear, the effect of pearl is also very good. It keeps us cool and calm. That's why when people who are very aggressive, very angry, short-tempered, what we can say, those who are able to read that things, they advise them to wear pearl. astrologers, some astrologers who are able to read the problems of the people, they advise them to wear pearl ornament because it keeps us cool and calm. Now here are some questions, my dear. Okay, answer these questions. Name any 2 products we make from the skin of dead animals. Purse and belt I have written. There are many more products. It is not that you will also write the same answer, because here answer may differ also. Shoes also, slippers also, jackets also, anything. Here the answer will differ because many leather goods are available in the market right now. Now see children here, what is the question? How is animal dung useful for us? Till now we have studied many useful things, many useful products which animal gives us. Suppose cell, wool, milk, honey, these all products. But even animal dung is useful for us. And how it is useful? See, from here we will start the question. Animal dung is useful for us because we get manure from it, which helps crop grow better. We purchase definitely for farming, we have to purchase the fertilizer, but this fertilizer manure which we get from animal dung, it is good for soil also and for the crops also. It doesn't destroy the soils and it helps the crops grow better and better. That's why animal product as well as animal dung, both are equally important for us. Both are useful for us. Next is, what do we get from the hairs of sheep, goat and camel? And the answer is, we get wool from hairs of sheep, goat and camel. Beside this, some more animals like yak, rabbit, they also gives us wool. From their hair also wool is made. And Angora wool, which we get from a certain type of rabbit, is very expensive, my dear. So you will go through this chapter, and it is very important to understand how animals help us in many ways. They give us wool, they give us milk, egg, fish, mutton, chicken. It is, and we should behave also very nicely with the animals, because they makes our life comfortable, not only by giving these things but by helping also to us in different ways, many ways. Thank you, dear. Thank you for watching.